Uh, Today's date is 5 September. Today we are going to discuss what are the data types in Java. Data types means we store the different type of values in the variable is called a data types. And what is variables? Variables means suppose firstly we write the data type which is int, and then we int or double or float as our need, and then we write the name of variable, and we store some value according to the our type of data. Then we say that statement or syntax is a variable, and to create variable we need a data type. Then now we are going to discuss what are the types of data types in Java. There are mainly two types of data types in Java. First is a primitive data types, and second is a non-primitive data types. Primitive data types is also known as primary data types, and non-primitive data types is also known as user-defined data types. Then the primitive data types are divided into the two parts, which is a numeric and non-numeric data types. Then in numeric data types means we are deal with the numbers, and in non-numeric data types we deal with the characters or boolean values, which are true or false values. Then in a numeric values there are two parts, which is integeric and decimal. Then now we discuss one by one. What there are integeric, in which there are four types. First is a byte, then there is a short, then there is a int, and then long. These all are arranged according to their range. Then there is a decimal. In decimal we have the float and double. Float and double is useful to store the decimal values or the decimal values, and if we want the more numbers after the decimals, then we use double, and if you want the less numbers after the decimal, then we use the float. Then now we are going to discuss non-numeric. There are two types, which is a character and another is boolean. What are the character? Okay. Character means we store the character like a, b, c, d, and so on. And in boolean there we get the true or false values. These all are about the primitive data types. Now we are going to discuss what are the non-primitive data types. We already discussed non-primitive data types is also known as user-defined data types, in which there are two types of data types, which is a string and array. String and array. Thank you.